Welcome to the Worth It YouTube channel. I'm Liz Robson, CEO and founder of Worth It and creator of this channel. On this channel, you will find a lot of tips, ideas and strategies using applied positive psychology and coaching psychology that help prevent the onset of mental health problems in children and young people. My organisation, Worth It, has been around for 15 years, supporting young people to develop skills and strategies that improve their resilience and help them improve well-being. And by doing this, we're helping prevent the onset of mental health problems in children and young people. Around 50% of adult mental health problems start during adolescence, and that's a prime time for us to increase young people's capacities and strategies for resilience and well-being. At Worth It, we specialise in using applied positive psychology, coaching psychology, organisational psychology and theories of adolescent development to help increase capacity within the workforce for anyone that supports or works with children and young people to help them improve well-being and resilience. This is based on my 15 years of experience working around the world with different schools and organisations, and also my academic research. So on this channel you'll find lots of practical tips, ideas, strategies and different ways to help you understand how you can support the children and young people you work with improve wellbeing and resilience. If you're interested in our work and want to find out more, make sure you visit our website, where you'll be able to sign up for our Wellbeing Insights newsletter, which provides regular new articles and content and information with tips and ideas for you. You'll also be able to join our Wellbeing Academy and access our free resources for wellbeing and our free CPD and training workshops. And you'll also be able to find out about our accredited training programs, which train you to be a coach to work with young people and help prevent the onset of mental health problems developing, and also our support, consultancy and training programs for schools and organisations. I look forward to hearing from you, so go over and visit our website or like and subscribe to this channel to find out a lot more about the work that we do.